How to disable notification and calls on Facebook Messenger. Now let's say you're on your Facebook Messenger and you find it annoying whenever someone is notifying you or calling you on your Messenger. Now in order for you to disable the notifications and calls that you get on your Messenger account, all you have to do is to tap on these three lines on the upper corner right here and click on the settings icon right here. Now, once you're here, all you have to do is to scroll down until you see notifications and sounds right there. So you just have to click on that and you'll be able to see there is an on button switch right here. In order for it to disable the notification and calls, all you have to do is to click on that so that you can mute the notifications. Now you can choose between 15 minutes up to 24 hours in muting or disabling the notifications and calls on Facebook Messenger. So you just have to click on that and hit OK. So that's how to disable notifications and calls on Facebook Messenger. I hope we helped.